Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Kevin's Live here, 2 o'clock in Saint-Jean-Cap-Ferrat, South France. We are going to show you how to make the perfect scrambled eggs. So I'm going to use 3 eggs. I'm not actually going to use any milk or cream in these scrambled eggs. I'm just going to use butter, okay? I think the problem that a lot of people do with scrambled eggs is they cook them too fast. And the whole idea of scrambled eggs is you cook them nice and slow. And you want to beat up your eggs a good bit. You put the salt in just before it goes into the pan, okay? If you put the salt in too early, all the liquid will come out of the eggs. You know when you see scrambled eggs and it's they're sitting in a pool of water? That's usually the reason why. Okay, we've got some butter here. Just butter. No cream. Just butter. But a good bit of butter. Okay, into your pan. Okay, and this is where you need to pay attention. So you just want to stand over the pan, reduce down the heat on the eggs, and basically you kind of want to dissolve the butter through the eggs, like that, and you'll get a really nice creamy scrambled egg, which is really nice. So you can see there.
What did you ever did scrambled eggs in microwave?
Oh, please, Julian. Seriously, did you even ask me that question? No, I haven't, to answer that question. No, I have not cooked eggs in a microwave. Don't even have a microwave. So, the thing is with scrambled eggs, right? You're standing here stirring the eggs and nothing seems to be happening. And then suddenly it just happens like that, okay? And you really don't want to overcook your eggs. You want your eggs nice and creamy and soft. So you can see that they're starting to come together there now. Can you get that, Julian?
Yeah, looks nice.
So nice and gentle. And when you think your scrambled eggs are just nearly at the consistency that you like, you take them off because they're going to continue cooking because the pan is hot. So really nice. See, there. I'm fairly happy with those. See the way they're still cooking there nicely. Oh. I know.
It's delicious.
I know this is a super simple dish to cook. But when you get these right, they are the best in the world. We'll see you all tomorrow.